Hi guys, I thought I would just give you a little introduction into the waves and frequencies. So what I'm going to do is start with the gamma, the beta, the alpha, the theta, the delta, the sleep sweep, which combines the delta and theta. And now we're going to go to active alert, which is the beta and the gamma. It's a little symphony of sorts. Now the alpha, which is the middle button, if we use it with the paddle, which we use for spot treatments, as well as for sleeping under the pillow, the alpha on its own, with the subtle energy always engaged, that upper button should always be on. The alpha is really good by using the paddle for intense healing and in reducing inflammation, which causes pain. So this is the alpha. And there you have it. That is the lesson for today. I just finished my treatment. Okay, guys, bye.